Tell him or her what your factual situation is, and they're going to tell you, man, you don't have a chance in hell. Or they're going to say, you know what? Because blah, 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 blah. If you do this, 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 and this, and you can come up with my retainer, I think we can get you some privileges. You'll know, because right now you're just thinking, I'll never drive again.
That's how it was.
It'd be nice to see that light at the end of the tunnel. And you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, so my understanding is you're going to plead guilty to the retail fraud from August 9, 2025, and you've agreed to pay restitution of $198.13 to Walmart, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, all right. So understanding your rights and your options and the possible penalty, are you pleading guilty to the charge today? Did you, on August 9, 2025, try to get some merchandise out of Walmart without paying for the merchandise?
Your Honor, I'm guilty of the charge, but it didn't go like that. I think it was more of
Tell me.
well, I got the charge through the mail, and I was doing things wrong at the time.
What? Tell me what you were doing wrong.
Buying things with that, messing with the barcode.
Okay, so you were trying to get stuff out for $30 when it was a $300 item or whatever. Okay, those.
All I wanted to explain.
No, that's fine, because those facts, with those facts, I can accept your plea. Okay, all right. So, and I will accept your plea. You're still living down in Monroe. Okay, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where at?
Backyard products.
What do you do?
I operate a high-low.
Okay,
Best thing that could happen to me.
okay,
I haven't had a license since 2002. I don't think I'm ever gonna get a license. This job is almost a walk away.
oh, nice.
Yes. Got right here,
Okay,
they get a commitment not to drive.
yep,
Hard.
Yep.
I got 9 or 10 driving us suspended till they, when we do something here.
yeah. Were you revoked because of drinking and driving charges?
My last week, yeah, I went to boot camp.
Okay,
I was, even though I was in the car.
Yeah.
Wasn't driving, just let it warm up. That doesn't change the fact
yeah,
that I
no operating, yeah. Here's what I'm going to suggest on that. Talk to, and just ask one of the attorneys that's floating around out here today and tell them you want a referral for somebody that does driver's license restorations. Have you talked to one of those attorneys?
no, because I was convinced with a third felony.
That's why I want you to talk to somebody. If there's a chance you can get your restoration, then you want to know what you have to do to get ready for it. So
Hey,
exactly. Talk to, matter of fact, this guy right here, Mr. Hadley.
yes, I listened.
I would assume you could probably give him a good referral for a driver's license restoration expert. Okay?
Felony.
It depends on timing. Talk to seriously, the expert will talk to you for free. Tell him or her what your factual situation is, and they're going to tell you, man, you don't have a chance in hell. Or they're going to say, you know what? Because blah, 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 blah. If you do this, 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 and this, and you can come up with my retainer, I think we can get you some privileges. You'll know, because right now you're just thinking, I'll never drive again.
That's how it was.
It'd be nice to see that light at the end of the tunnel, even if it's a long way down the road.
Give me a list. I knew I.
Right.
Like 2002, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel. I know it's a privilege.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I hear you.
But to have a license, I think I would blow it up and put it on the wall.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's tough in life. As life gets more complicated, and then not be able.
I don't disagree with you. This ain't Chicago. You can't get on a bus. No, I hear you.
Be clean.
Yeah.
So
Good.
I'll interject and say that last program that I mentioned that.
Yeah. Yeah.
The operation,
Road to restoration.
road restoration.
Right.
That's gonna be a great place that you will not have to worry about an attorney calling you back or
Yep.
walk in and set an
Yep.
appointment. Those will
So listen, you got anything to write with?
get my,
Here. All right, write this down. Secretary of State website, Road to Restoration. All right, I just found out about this from Mr. Hadley today. They run these little like workshops around the state of Michigan. There's one in Kalamazoo today. There's one coming up down in Eastern Market. You show up, what I would try to do before you go down there, try to get to the Secretary of State and have them give you your driving record.
Oh,
Okay? So when you show up at this clinic, you can go in and they've got volunteer attorneys. You can show them your driving record and they can look at the facts and they can say, these are your options or these are not options. All right?
You have options, then you go find that next step, the attorney who can say, all right, here's our.
Yep. Yep.
because I've never heard of this.
So he's going to give you a number for the attorney to call after you do the road to restoration visit.
That's awesome.
Okay? All right, let's get back to business. I still got to sentence you on this. All right, how soon can you pay the restitution?
That's what's it. I'm working 7 days a week, sometimes 6. And I love it. Like I don't mind.
Tell me how soon you can pay the $200.
Right now,
You can do it today?
keeping up 5 towards this in my name.
The 5 I'm going to keep for court costs, but the 200 you can pay that today. Then I'm done with you.
That's great.
All right?
You have his fingerprint order done by.
Can you get your fingerprints done today? Van Buren PD.
My bride.
Well, you got your ride. That's why I'm asking.
Well, that's what I'm gonna check. How long does she have?
You know what? Hold on. Go check with her.
Okay, go back.
Come back in. Because I'd rather have you do it today than have to get back out here from Monroe.
If I could answer it right now if I knew how long it would take. Is it not like?
I don't know because it depends on what they got going at the PD. If you get there and there's nothing happening, they're gonna get you in and out in probably 20 minutes. If they got 3 guys that are trying to book in because there was a big fight somewhere or something, then you might have to sit there.
Let me,
All right.
I got some noon for sure that, let me see what's.
I think it'll probably happen before noon, but I can't guarantee because I don't have a camera on over there. So talk to her and see what her,
But if she had to go somewhere, I would find with the way back.
okay,
Get the stuff.
okay. So today,
I wonder for up anyone.
okay, no problem. So get a number from him before you leave though.
Thank you.